Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be looking at 10 websites that every self-publisher should know and should use. These websites are very important to me, and I'm sure they'll be important to you too because you need them in your self-publishing journey, especially if you're publishing books on Amazon. It's Eminence here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then I do content on Kindle publishing and publishing generally, so you'd like to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss my next video. And if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. Without wasting your time, I'm trying to make this video. I'll make this video very brief. So without wasting your time, let's go into the 10 websites every self-publisher should know. I'm going to be introducing you to this website and telling you what they do. So the number 10th website on my list here, it's Amazon.com. Of course, if you're publishing on Amazon, then of course you need this website. You either come here to do your keyword research, that's if you have your extensions installed. You can come here to do your keyword research, then you can come here to also do your book research, see what books are selling. You can refer to my videos on book research to see how you can use this website to do book research. You can also refer to my video on common mistake publishers make when doing keywords, and you also see how this website can be used. Amazon.com is the 10th website you will need if you're self-publishing on Amazon. So let's move to the number 9th website. The number 9th website here is tckpublishing.com. tckpublishing.com is another website that you're definitely going to need for your publishing journey. What this website does is it helps you calculate average number of sales a book makes per day and per month. So let's say you want to model a book as a self-publisher. All you have to do is get the BSR of the book. You can do that by coming. Okay, let's say I want to model this book, for instance. Is this a book? Yep. Okay, let me find a book. And this is a book. Let's say I want to model this book, for instance. All I need to do is get the bestseller rank of the book and go to that website. So let me go down and get the bestseller rank of the book. Okay, read more. Okay, that's the description. So the bestseller rank of this book is it's number 7 in books, number 1 in motivational management leadership, number 1 in business motivation, and number 1 in personal transformation. So let's say we want to use the number 7, or let's say the bestseller rank is 7, or let's just assume the bestseller rank of a book. Normally bestseller ranks, the lesser the bestseller rank, the more sales the book is making. So let's say we have a book with a bestseller rank of 10,000 and it's an ebook. You can also check if it's a paperback book or paperback. So let's say it's an ebook. All you have to do is just write the bestseller rank and click on calculate sales, and you'll see that a book with a bestseller rank of 10,000, an ebook with a bestseller rank of 10,000 is making an average sales of 390 sales per month and 26 sales per day. If you add an extra zero here, making it 100,000, you'll see that the sales will drop. So this is telling you that the lesser the bestseller rank, the more sales that book is likely to make. So tckpublishing.com is another website you will need for self-publishing. Now, the number 8 website I have here is KeywordToDominator.com. Now, KeywordToDominator.com is not totally a free tool, although there is a free part of it, which has, I think, 3 searches per day. This website helps you for keywords. Now, all you have to do is sign up on this website. I'm already logged in. If you're new, you sign up and then log in. So you click on this Amazon keyword tool here. You click on Amazon keyword tool here because it's provide keywords for other websites. So as you can see, eBay, Bing, Etsy, Google Shopping, but we'll be needing it for Amazon. So click on Amazon here. And here we go. United States. Yep. If you want to do it for another country, it's cool. But United States, leave it on United States, English, Amazon. Then you insert a keyword you want. So let's put love and let's see what it will come up. So you insert a keyword and you check it to bring possible keywords and related keywords to it. Once again, refer to my videos on 10 common errors publishers make when doing keywords. You can check that on my channel. Refer to that video and see the right way of doing your keyword research. I don't know why it's taking time, but it's supposed to load up here. And okay, add the keyword to Dominator extension to enable keyword searches and then try again. Okay, so I have to add the keyword to Dominator extension. To add that extension, just go to your Google browser and click on add search keyword to Dominator extension. You can search that by doing keyword to Dominator extension. keyword to dominator extension. Just do a Google search like that, and it's going to load and bring you to this Google keyword to dominator, to the Google store. Yep, so this is the extension here. Click on add to Chrome and then go back to your keyword to dominator, and that's going to work. For the sake of time, I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm going to move to the next keyword, to the next website we'll be needing, which is the number, what number now? I think number 7. Number 7 website is canva.com. Now, this website is very, very important, not just for publishers, but anybody that's into graphics generally. Now, what canva.com will help you do is create, to help you design book covers for your book, be it hardcover, be it paperback, be it Kindle. You're definitely going to need canva.com. Now, one interesting thing with canva.com is that it has already installed templates where you can just find the templates. Let's say I want an ebook cover here. Okay, you can see ebook cover. You can click on create blank, or you can search for templates that already existing templates, and you just edit it. It's very easy to use, and it's very, very necessary for your book publishing, for your self-publishing journey. Now, the next website, once again, Canva is not free. Canva is not free. It has a free version, but it's limited, so you definitely want to go for the paid version of Canva. Keyword to Dominator also have a pricing option here, which you can check and see. You can see this $44 lifetime access. So you can $44 lifetime access. That's if you want to use it for Amazon. So you can make that payment to get more than 3 searches per day. Now, the next website on my list here is USPTO.gov. Then you can add a / trademark, then / search. This website help you to check for trademarks. Now, Amazon is definitely gonna block your book or likely punish you if you use a book or a word that is trademarked. So you make sure you use this website, USPTO.gov/gov, then / trademark / search. You can pause this video and write that URL down. Then you can use it to search for trademark words. You search for a word and see if that word is trademarked or not. Now, the next website on my list here is duplicchecker.com. Duplicchecker.com, it's an amazing website. It's help you for checking off plagiarism for your work, and see plagiarism check. It also has a paraphrasing tool and a reverse image search. But this website, it's better for plagiarism, or let me say I prefer using it for plagiarism check. I have another website I use for paraphrasing too, and I'll introduce you to it shortly. But I use this website mostly for plagiarism check. So you create an account with this website, and then you insert a file here, or you insert your text here, and it's going to check the plagiarism and tell you which part of it is plagiarized and which part is not. Once again, this website is free, but it also has a paid plan. You can see the paid plan here for plagiarism, for paraphrasing, and for reverse image search. I want to check the one for plagiarism, and you can see it will load up here and show us the price. Let's wait for it to do that. Duplicchecker.com is another website you will be needing. Majorly, don't forget this one is used for your plagiarism check. Now, okay, the pricing plan is here, and you can see it's weekly, monthly, and yearly. Now, I advise you go for the yearly, or it depends on your budget, but you have $25 here per month. If you want a yearly plan, you can switch to yearly and see how much it will cost you to get that plan for a year. So that is it about duplicchecker.com. Now let's move to the next website on our list, which is QUBO.com. Now, QUBO.com is a website. I told you I have another one I use for paraphrasing. This is a website that is very good for paraphrasing. So you can see here, you can paraphrase using standard, fluency, formal, academic, depending on the tune you want and the rest. And it also has language options here. So all you need to do is paste your text. Now, normally the free version of QUBO allows you use just 120 words. So if you need one more than 120 words, then you can go to you can click here, upgrade to premium, go to the premium version, and this costs about $10 or so month to upgrade to the premium version of QuickBooks. So you can go ahead, explore this website and see if it is something you want. Of course, you enjoy QuickBooks. It's a very nice website. Now, on the next website, which is the third website, number 3 website, is Grammarly.com. Now, Grammarly.com, as the name implies, helps you check grammar. Now where is it? Okay, sorry, the next website it's not grammarly.com, it's chat.openai.com. Yeah, it's a very popular website, better known as ChatGPT. Now this what the website does, it helps you generate content. Now I advise you use 100% of AI generated content. You can play around with it, do some corrections to it and make it sound more human, because it's the way AI sounds. So this website helps you generate content. You can insert your prompts here and press the enter button and it will generate content for you. So that's it about chat.openai.com. Then we have number second website on our list here, which is grammarly.com. Grammarly.com helps you check grammatical errors in your text. All you need to do is go to grammarly.com, click on upload here, or you can either upload or paste your work and wait for Grammarly to check the grammatical errors in your book or in your text. Yeah, Grammarly is another interesting website. It has a paid plan and it has a paid plan and it has a free version. Same as chat.openai.com. Chat.openai.com also has a paid plan. If you click on upgrade here, you can see it's going to cost you $20 per month to upgrade to the pro version of chat.openai.com. Now to the number one website I would recommend for every self-publisher to use is the retexter.ai. Now retexter.ai, it's a very nice website. Also, you can click on sign up here to see what it does, or you can log in if you already have an account. Now let's log in. Let me log in and let's see how Retexter can help us in our self-publishing work. Now, Retexter is an amazing website, as I said earlier. What it does, it does the paraphrasing. If you click on this tree here, you can see it does the paraphrasing. So instead of using QUBO and subscribing $10 per month, you can just subscribe Retexter and do your paraphrasing. Then Retexter also do plagiarism checks. So instead of using duplichecker.com, you can use Retexter for your plagiarism check. Then Retexter also does grammar check. Instead of using grammarly.com, you can use Retexter. Then Retexter also does summarizing and it can also generate content. So this is the plagiarism check here. You enter your text, you check for plagiarism. This one here is a grammar check. You enter your grammar here, your text here, or you upload a file and you have your results here. Then this is for the summarizer. Retexter can help you summarize your words, and Retexter can help you generate content in English, in French, in Spanish, and in German. Once again, for the paraphrasing option, sorry, you can see it's paraphrased in a conversational tune, a friendly tune, a humorous tune, and a professional tune. And you can also paraphrase your work from English to French to Spanish or German. Now, it doesn't matter which it doesn't matter if you paste your text in English. You can paste your text in English and it's to paraphrase it straight to French. Now our advice for text out for you, because it's kind of have everything you need in one place. So instead of going to chat or OpenAI to generate content, then go to QUBO.com to paraphrase it, then go to grammarly.com to check grammar, then go to duplichecker.com to check plagiarism. You can do all that with Retexter. Retexter is not free. Once it's not free, it's a paid tool. Of course, it should be paid considering what it does. It's a paid tool, but it's ridiculously cheap. Now it's cheaper than the $40 you will need for. It's cheaper than the $9 you will need for QuickBooks. It's cheaper than the $20 you need for chat.openai.com. It's cheaper than the money you will need, the $40 you will need for TCK publishing. It's cheaper than Canva. So you can see it has plans here. It has a 3.49 plan, which gives you 187 credits. It works, Retexter works on a pay-as-you-go basics. So which means you purchase your credits and anytime you don't feel like using it, it's there for you. As you can see, I have 1.64k, 1,640 credits here, and it's always going to be 1,640 whenever I want to use it. So it's not monthly that you can say, okay, at the end of the month you have to subscribe. You can use it anytime you want, and if you don't use it, it's always there. So we have 3.49, you can see, and $3.49 will allow you use 174,000 words. 5.49 will allow you use 274,000 words, and 9.49 will allow you use 475,000 words. You can also customize here. You click continue, enter the credit you want, maybe what you want. You want $100, so you can just click on custom here, add $100 to it. So once again, instead of you going forward and backward, taking your work here, taking it here, taking it here, taking it here, you can just do your paraphrasing, your plagiarism check, your grammar check, and your summarizer and content generation here with Retexter. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you like this video, then like it. If you don't like it, then let me know why you don't like it in the comment section. If you have any other website I didn't include in this video, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you and see you in my next video. Have a great day.